So tragic, and you attend the passing of Deputy Hopkins, showing the risks that our first responders face going to work every day. And News 5's Andy Cohen, he spoke with some local first responders about the challenges that they're facing getting the necessary equipment to keep themselves safe.
During this crisis, it's been difficult for our hospitals and doctors to get enough supplies of personal protective equipment, things like masks, gloves, goggles, and even some full body suits. I reached out to some of our local first responders who told me they have what they need right now, but it is a limited supply.
I'd like to ask the community to keep the Hopkins family in your thoughts and prayers.
The death of Deputy Jeff Hopkins, a painful reminder of the danger that all first responders in our community face during this outbreak.
We've honored each victim of the disease in our community. Today we also mourn one of our own.
Colorado Springs firefighters now wear gloves, masks, and even full body suits to every medical call they respond to.
If we start getting sick, then obviously that's going to be a drawdown on the system, to be able to get out and help you.
The department stocked up early on personal protective equipment and learned what they could from fire departments in other states who faced the virus before us.
Good and bad part about that is we're using it and we're being safe. The bad part is it's obviously it's not an unlimited amount.
A spokesperson for Global Medical Response, the parent company of AMR, told us that like the fire department, they're well stocked and are working with vendors to continue to protect employees. But they added, quote, "We have experienced some delays on materials delivered to a few operations, and we continue to work with healthcare and first responder partners to tap into local cash supplies."
This will be perfect. Thank you so much.
Over the weekend, a donation drive for PPE was held at UC Health Park, and many manufacturers have recently retooled their plants to increase the supply of these items. In the meantime, the best way for all of us to help is to just stay home.
By staying home and avoiding contact with others if you are experiencing mild symptoms or suspect that you are exposed, you are helping to prevent the spread of the disease in your home and community.
Always watching out for you, Andy Cohen, News 5.